up, my super duper fabulous madam people around the world? I'm Yowawerts, and this is my own version of the cardboard claw machine. It has the simplest mechanism and it works perfectly great just like real vending machines, but just without the buttons and joysticks. Before we proceed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and might as well subscribe to this channel. Now without any further ado, let's hop right into the video. The top of the machine is where the claw goes on, so it serves as its track. And this small box you see is like the control system of the claw, and as you can see, this says grab. So basically, this is the button you turn to grab the toys, and this on the other hand is for the claw to move up or down. Here you see it move up and then down. And to open the claw, you have to loosen up the grab button and then move up. So there, you open the claw, and to close it, you just tighten back the grab button. Let's now try out our machine. Let me move the claw to this spot because it's where the little lamp is. The same steps, lower the claw and then loosen up the grab button, move up and then down to open it and then grab. This is our first toy from the claw machine. It's a white little lamp. Let's put it here. Let's try machine again. I want to have that weird looking pink dog. Let's see if we can grab it. So I gave up on grabbing the pink dog and I just went to get Goofy, and then I also gave up. I just aimed for the dog right next to it, and using the same technique, I grabbed it easily, so I definitely deserve a cookie for this one.
Princess!
The next toy I aimed for was the little cat, and it was pretty easy too. I think Goofy deserves a second chance, so let's go try to grab it again. Hopefully we can have it this time. land, we successfully saved Goofy. To refill the machine, I just directly put the toys inside, and by the way, I ran out of plastic covers, so I just left mine without one. Although it would have been really cool to have covered it so people won't just directly steal all the toys. So if you're planning to make this machine, then I suggest you cover the windows. I love you, you love me, na 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 na. Bruh. I emptied out the machine and tried to catch this toy right here so you could clearly see how I turn the buttons. And just a quick shout out to the Yo fam. Thank you for watching my videos and for the endless support. And to you, if you still haven't joined the Yo fam, then go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll get notified. So that was my cardboard claw machine. I hope you liked it. Comment down below if you want me to make the tutorial for this channel, and I'd be really happy if you share this video with your friends and family. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.